What is diode logic AND gate? Watch this video and find out. First, let's get to know what is diode. A diode has two terminals. An anode, which is a positive side, and a cathode, a negative side. The anode connects to the positive terminal and cathode connects to the negative terminal. When the anode voltage exceeds the cathode voltage by more than its voltage drop, the diode conducts current. This is called forward bias. It acts as a closed circuit. When cathode voltage exceeds the anode, current is not permitted to go through. This is called reverse bias. It acts as an open circuit. Diodes regulate the flow of current, and by doing so, they produce logical outputs. Let's learn the theory of diode logic AND gate. We need to produce a circuit using diodes that obey within the gate truth table. Our main component would be resistors, used to regulate current, LED is used to present output, and the diodes, which is put in reverse bias to produce an AND gate. We should remember that input 0 means it is connected to the ground and input 1 means it is connected to 5-volt source. The voltage drop in a diode is 0.7 volts, while in LED it is around 1.8 volts. Lower voltage drop means lower resistance. We know that current will choose to flow through a branch that has the lowest resistance to go to the ground. In our circuit, current would prefer to go through 0.7 volts voltage drop forward bias diode than 1.8 volts in LED. Let's study circuit for 0 input. The diodes will be in forward bias, so they act as closed circuit. First, the current flow through resistor. Since diode's voltage drop is lower, current will flow through the diode instead of LED to the ground. Next, circuit with 0 input. One of the diode will act as closed circuit and the other as an open circuit. Since the current can still go to the ground through one of the diode, current will not flow through the LED, making the output 0. The very same happens with circuit with 1 input, where the output will still be 0. Finally, we can look at circuit with 1 input. Since both of the diodes will be in reverse bias, it acts as an open circuit. Current will not flow through the diode, so it will get to the ground through LED. Hence, the output will be 1. Time to test the circuit. We can see through this simulation in multisim that when the input is 0, the output is 0. When either of the input is 0, the output is still 0. Only when both of the input are 1, the output is 1. Our circuit obeyed to the AND gate truth table. Hurrah! Here are some real-life application of AND gate. Let's look at this login page. If we put the wrong username or the wrong password, the web will not let us through. Only with correct username and password, we can log in. This is a gumball machine. When no coin is inserted, but the button is pushed, no gumball will come out. To get the gumball, we have to insert the coin and push the button. Lastly, a AND gate is also used in burglar alarm. If you turn on the alarm switch, but no motion is detected, the alarm will not sound. It will only sound when the switch is on and motion is detected. That concludes the crash course on diode logic AND gate. This video is brought to you by Group 12. See you next time!